So I will hold left aileron in hopes of straightening it out. Here's full bore. Oh, it's working. That's full bore. And I'm on high rates.
Low rate.
So this is an underpowered jet. Got a wobble to it. There is no stabilization. Full bore. Wow. So it flies, it barely flies. And it's got an interesting wobble to it without stabilization. Huh. Coming in.
Timer 1 elapsed.
Dead stick. So a lot of up elevator was needed to get the nose to come up. So I'm thinking the CG is too far forward. I'll move it back a little bit. The wheel is too far in front of the CG, but I can't move this platform back much because it hits the tow hook. So I'm going to flip it around and see if the geometry improves a bit. So the wheel has been flipped around and it's now a lot closer to the tow hook. So I've got the main battery connected and I've got the secondary battery connected. Either one will keep the servos working. So the CG is back 1 inch from the last flight. The wheel has been moved back maybe about 1 inch as well. So the rotation authority should be about the same, which was not good last time. But mostly I'm just looking for a wing that flies while it's on the wheel. So it will start off with a right turn with that wingtip dragging, and I'll be holding left aileron. And I'm going to try low rates this time. Last time, I believe, was high rates. So this is less chance of success on this one. So the wheel being farther back allows the nose to go down easier. It is a problem. So I'm going to try low rates this time and taking off from the tarmac. It's still going to turn right with that dragging wingtip, but less drag on the tarmac. So that's the angle. And at low rates, everything's going to be more difficult because there's not going to be enough authority at the low flying speeds. So it's going to be a challenge. I might hit that cone. So that's where I'm pointed right now. We'll see what happens. Certainly aborting the landing is highly likely. So no stabilization, cruise mode, low rates.
Flaps half.
There's half flaps.
Flaps up.
Haven't tried those yet in flight. Left turn. I'm going to try it again with holding those up. Cruise mode, no stabilization, low rates. It tracked pretty good last time. I'm going to hold up elevator for this one. Same problem. This shows a inherent problem with jets, being that they're pushers. So even if you had tricycle landing gear, or actually especially if you had tricycle landing gear, the main gear would be behind the CG, not in front of the CG as this one is. And so once you started pushing, the nose goes down, that front wheel's going to be loaded really heavily. And it's not good for the grass. As far as the location of the landing gear in relation to the CG, it's decidedly tail heavy, and when you pick it up, there's quite a bit of weight on that tail. So that wheel, that landing gear, is plenty far forward. It's just the pusher that makes it a problem.